In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timeline to Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, interactive timeline embedded on your website using a free widget, and you won't need any coding skills to do it. Start by opening Elfsight in your browser. On their homepage, look for the Explore Widgets option. This is where all the pre-built tools live. In the search bar, type Timeline, and then select the Timeline widget from the results. You'll land on a page that shows what the widget can do and how it looks. Click Create Widget for free. Elfsight provides a gallery of templates to help you move fast. Pick the template that best matches your use case, whether it's a company history, project milestones, or an event schedule. Once you've chosen, click. Continue with this template to open the editor. Inside the editor, open the menu with the three dots next to an item and choose Edit. Now, customize the content. Replace the placeholder title, date, and description with your own details, and update any icons or images to match your brand. Keep your event titles short and consistent, and use clear, chronological dates so visitors can follow your story at a glance. If the template includes multiple items, repeat the edit for each one until your timeline tells the full story you want. When everything looks right, click Publish. If you're prompted to pick a plan, choose the free option to get started, then confirm. You'll see an embed code, copy it. This little snippet is what connects your Wix site to the live timeline you just built. Now switch over to your Wix website editor. Open the page where you want the timeline to appear. Click the plus icon to add elements. Then choose Embed Code and select Embed HTML. A panel will open where you can paste code. Paste the Elfsight embed code you copied earlier and click Update. You should immediately see a live preview of your timeline inside the editor. Drag and resize the embedded element so it fits your layout. Give it enough width for dates and text to breathe, and align it with your page's grid so it looks intentional. If your section is narrow, consider stacking it in a full width strip to avoid cramped text. It's a good idea to check the mobile view in the Wix editor and adjust the element size there too, so your timeline is easy to scroll on phones. That's it. You've added a polished, customizable timeline to your Wix site with just a few clicks. If you ever need to update it, edit the widget in Elfsight and your site will reflect the changes automatically.